Hi friends! Today we are going to draw a ladybug. I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. So the first one we're actually going to draw a ladybug from a top view. So what you'll do is we're going to start with a medium-sized circle. And we'll put that right about here. And you'll draw your circle like so. And because we're looking down on the ladybug from above, we're going for the head, you won't draw a full circle, it'll just be a half circle like this that's connected to the body. And because we're looking at it from a top view, we also see the little antennas that stick out. So we're going to draw one right here. So you put a small little line right there. And then all we're going to do is just bring it out just a little bit. And then we're going to curve the end like so. And we'll do this on the other side as well. So you'll take that line and curve it at the end. So we'll start about here and curve it over like so. And next, what we're going to do is draw a line right down the center. That actually separates the wings. That creates the wings that the ladybugs have that you see when they fly off. And what I'll do really quickly is just fill in the head with my Sharpie. I'm gonna do that right now, and you can do that as well, or you can wait until the end of the video. And now let's go ahead and start adding our dots, our polka dots, those polka dots that you see on the ladybugs. I'm actually adding one here right in the center. You can do that as well, but I would love for you to be creative and just have fun. Put these dots wherever you like on your ladybug. They do not have to look exactly like mine. I'm just having fun and just putting different dots on here. And to get the half dot look like I'm doing here, you just draw half of a circle on the edges of the ladybug. And then in the middle or around the edges, you'll just draw your whole circles, your full circles for your dots. Yep, just like so. So have fun, be creative. If you just want your ladybug to have 2 dots, just draw 2. This is your drawing. Art is not perfect, and it does not have to be perfect. Art is what you make of it. So let's go ahead and finish off. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off with the legs, because ladybugs do have legs. So you'll just bring out a little dot, a little line here, another line there, one there. We're gonna give it 3 legs on each side, like so. And there we go, there's your first way to draw a ladybug. The next one I'm going to put down below, and we're gonna start with just a oval shaped head, not necessarily a circle. So I'm just gonna draw an oval shape right about here. And if you'd like to watch me first before starting yours, but I'm going to put mine right here, and a small oval like so. That's actually going to be the face or the head of this ladybug. And this ladybug has personality, and it's going to be looking at us. It's actually, well, looking up. It has eyes. So I'm going to then draw the body, so we can go ahead and get that on there. So you'll just, in order to draw the body and to connect it to the head, you start at maybe a point right about here, and you just bring that line all the way around to underneath the ladybug. And oops, I made an extra line, but that's okay. I'm going to come back to that later. Let's go ahead and put a line down the back like we did on the first ladybug. And then next we'll go ahead and put the eyes in. So just draw 2 circles towards the top of this oval shape like so, and then you'll draw two more circles, one circle in each circle, making your eyes, and you'll fill that in, and you can leave a little white dot, and that is the highlight in the eye for when they're looking up or where the light shines on their eye, like so. And let's add a smile. I'll just draw a curved line like so. And if you ever make a mistake, you can always cover it up when you're coloring or draw around it. So again, there are no mistakes in art. Art is what you make of it. So we're gonna add the antennas right up in the middle of the head. We'll take a line up and curve at the end like so. And we'll do that on the other side. Take a line up and curve at the end. And now the fun part, adding its dots. So you just go in there and you just add different circles, different dots wherever you'd like to, different sizes. Have fun. They can be large, they could be small, it could be half circles that you'd add to the end of the body. And just have fun. Make it your own. Get creative. So what we're gonna do next is add one leg here. This is for the leg on the other side that we can't see. And then we'll bring a line down here, one here, and the third leg for this side right here. And let's add little feet to it with little circles like that. Little circles on the bottom. There we go. And there are our ladybugs. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and share it with someone that you think would enjoy creating their own ladybugs. And one other tip for you, if you drew any extra lines that you didn't want on your ladybug or around your ladybug like I did at the bottom of the face, all you have to do is get creative. Draw around it. You can color over it. It's whatever you want it to be. And until next time, friends.